Think selling a home is about location, location, location. It's not. There's much more to it. Passion, expertise, and knowledge. Hi, I'm Crystal Bonin. I am a real estate broker and host of the American Dream Selling Louisiana. We service the greater Baton Rouge area, Zachary, the Felicianas, and if you're looking for someone who has knowledge of the market like the back of her hand, you found her. Let's talk numbers. I've successfully closed out over 1,500 transactions, sold over $360 million of real estate because I blend a competitive spirit with the deep desire to be the best. I mean, let's be honest. I love a good challenge. Whenever we have time off, we're normally that work hard, play hard attitudes. I love traveling with my husband. We've been married almost 32 years. Going to Shreveport to see our son, daughter-in-law, and grandbaby, who's only 19 months old, by the way, who is the light of my life. But we run up there to see them. Our daughter is in her second year of medical school. We have 3 dogs, which we love. My approach to selling real estate is like hosting a great party. You have to know your guest or clients, and you have to create the right environment and make sure everyone leaves with a smile. Whether it's the thrill of the hunt for the perfect property or the strategic negotiation of a sale, I bring joy to the journey of buying or selling your home. Are you ready to navigate the real estate market? Give me a call. Let's make your real estate dreams a reality. Because for me, it's not just business, it's personal. If you'd like some more real estate tips, tricks, and advice, whether you're buying and selling here in Louisiana or anywhere in the country, go ahead and follow or like our page, Crystal Bonin Realty.